Okay, so we're in the great state of South Dakota. Yes, sir. Here we have a monument, like a little Indian camping. What they call these? The Indians, like an Indian house, replica of an Indian house. So there's a lot of Indians. South Dakota was owned by a lot of Indians, different tribes, some of which are still here. And also you have this world famous Mount Rushmore. Famous Mount Rushmore. So on that Mount Rushmore you should put Bob Marley here. No, first you should put me here, then Bob Marley here, then Garnet Silk. Also you should have Marcus Garvey, and then you should also have probably you can put Peter Touch over there, so see me. Yes, sir.